Anyway, so hidden market deals, right? We're talking finding opportunities. Let me tell you the real story of this deal. And I need to be real quick on this. All right. Gary was walking down the street one day. Walking down, and he noticed that this particular building, which is where you're standing right now, it just looked like it needed some love. So he walked inside and is looking for who the owner is, right? Trying to find out what's going on in this deal. When he starts talking to the property management company, which, by the way, sucked, he found out that they said, well, yeah, we're kind of struggling right now. The place was halfway empty. It was very nasty and raw, just real ugly. And so what he did is, most people would have just been like, gross, leave, forget about it. Gary didn't do that. Gary was smart. He went online and he pulled up information. He finds out as he does his research online that the guy who owns the building doesn't own the land. So he reverse searches the owner of the land, calls the owner. Sure enough, this guy is 80-something years old. First of all, that's a good opportunity. So he talks to the guy and says, yeah, the owner of this building basically stopped paying the last few years. I'm too old to go through all this crap in the courthouse stuff. I just sent him a couple letters and, trying to get him to do something. He just flat out called me one day and said, well, business is not too good. We're going to stop paying. We'll start paying when the market comes back up. Give you a picture. The guy who owned this building was a billionaire. Owned like 600 strip centers.
Jeez.
He had 2 office buildings, one here, one in New York. This is the baby building. This is his redheaded stepchild. He ran this property. He didn't care. He wasn't managing it. He's too busy with all the big deals he has. Anyway, Gary knew opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Most people wouldn't even touch this deal. You know why? It had over 265 violation codes. It was going to be condemned.
Wow.
Yeah. So he comes in and he talks to the guy and says, look, I like this deal. I like other deals. So I will buy it for $1 million. Because he's thinking, worst case, I sue this guy starts paying me back, so I get $200,000-300,000 back already. So technically I bought this deal for $700,000, and he'll pay me $150,000 a year. That's a great investment. Because there's no real cost for him. So that's his worst case. So is his worst case okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Best case is what?
Sells the building.
He takes the building. He's willing to take that shot. So he buys the property, $1 million down, $250,000 was the down payment. Okay? You guys understand? He didn't have to come up with the money. Not at that moment. The guy wasn't getting payments, was he? The original owner of the land?
No.
So he said, look, I'll give you $250,000 down. When I start going to court, all these expenses I'm going to have, then I'll pay you out. It's okay? Yeah, sure. No payments. Why? Because the guy knows. What am I going to do? Is that something you can negotiate? Yeah, especially depends on the situation. It's not going to happen every day. I'll tell you that right now. But he did that. Here's the problem. He had a lot of violation codes. So he had to raise capital and some debt to renovate the outside of this building, gut out most of the floors, and did some work. $8.9 million approximately. At the end of the day, he had $10 million, and the building looked like this. As you can see, pretty cool rehab. Turned it from going to Class C to a Class B. Increased the value, started leasing it up. As he was leasing it up, one of his partners, who was the equity partner, the majority partner, said, I need some cash back. At this point, I'm struggling financially. I need some of my capital back. I know this is a killer deal. I mean, this is crazy. This is a good time. Let him roll, but I can't. So can I get a portion of it? So while he was trying to find an equity partner, he couldn't find one to buy him out. And while he was doing that, he found Gallup. Gallup comes in, has a property in New York that he got rid of, had a lot of cash, heavy. He was going to have to pay a big capital gain. So what does he do? He comes in here and says, ooh, beautiful, brand new looking building. I need to close in 45 days or I'm going to get stuck paying Uncle Sam. So he made an offer. An offer that they couldn't refuse. $20,300,000. Do you think his equity partners were happy? Mm-hmm. All of this from a nice little stroll down the block, downtown Orlando. A savvy man found a $20 million deal.
It's like finding gold in the streets.
Here's the point. If we can do a $10 million deal, can you do one where we just talked to you? Just $1 million. Can you see that? Can you walk down the street and find something? Something that's out of place, something that's ugly, that you can do something about and increase the value? Yes. But the key is you've got to take action. You gotta be open-minded.